Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store here and you're getting that your connection is not private, well in this case there are a few things you need to know as well as you need to do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to identify how it's actually caused or what's causing you this specific issue. So most likely, like for example, if you've added a new DNS or a domain into your Shopify store. So for example, you went to set your settings here, you went to go to your domains here and just basically added a new domain. So usually if someone actually accesses your website within, like for example, you just added it and 48 hours hasn't actually run up, or you're still within that 48-hour window, usually this will actually cause that issue. So what it actually means, it's currently it's on the process of connecting your website or your Shopify website here to that domain. So it takes 48 hours for it to fully complete. That's why you might be getting that your connection is not private. So the first thing you want to do is you want to basically wait for a few hours, so maybe after the 48 hours, and see if that solves the issue. So most likely that is the cause of this one, especially for adding new domains in your website. This will definitely show up. Now, if that is not the issue here and you're still getting that issue after 48 hours, next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your domain is properly set up. So make sure that your A record and your C name is properly set up. So you might want to go through, like for example, disconnect your domain here, reconnect again, make sure all details are correct. So just follow the on-screen steps that you see here for your connecting your domain here on Shopify. But then again, make sure they're properly set up. Also change the settings depending on where you got your domain. You might want to check your provider for that one and see if you've done something wrong with the setup itself. But yeah, so if none of those, like if you're sure that you set up your domain properly and it's working before, even if you already have the new domain here, it's working before that, suddenly it just has that your connection is not private. So the thing that you could do here is you want to make sure that the time on your computer is correct. Now, if the time on your computer is not correct, this will actually cause the issue itself. So usually at the bottom right of your screen, you want to go and click on it, and you could go ahead and basically access your time here, and you could go ahead and basically edit it. So let's go and right click on this one, or you can even just click on adjust date time here. Right click on it, go to adjust date time here. You could go ahead and set this automatically. So if you have this set time zone, or if you have this turned off, you might want to turn this on and choose your time zone, and from then on see if that solves the issue, because again, this might be caused by the incorrect time that you have on your PC. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to clear the cache on your browser. Sometimes your browser is the problem, so I would recommend you to copy the address for your Wix website, your Shopify website here, and you want to go to your incognito, open it up in an incognito window here, and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you can view your website here, not getting that specific error or pop-up error here, or on your a website in incognito, it means your browser is the problem. So you want to go to the top right of the screen here, go to your settings, and from here you want to go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, and you want to go and deselect browsing history and just keep cookies and other site data and cache images and files here. And you could choose like for last 4 months or even all time here, and click on delete data. Now it will delete all your cookies and other site data as well as cache images and files, but not your browsing history. So you are good. So you could go ahead and do that and see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.